Everyone, and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0, it will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And speaking of reports, we have a new report on a NASDAQ Biotech trading just under $2 for our subscribers out tonight. Biotech stocks have been big winners for our subscribers this year, and we aim to bring them to our subscribers first. This one has many catalysts in play, with insiders owning over 50% of the company. To get our report that covers all the catalysts, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email and any pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Well, guys, so far it's been a pretty good week here at InsiderFinancial.com. Today we saw a lot of movement in the names that we've been covering. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the stocks that I covered in the previous video on the watch list so you can see how they perform the next day. Yes, unlike other YouTubers, I will cover both my winners and my losers. The big winner today was MBOT. As I said last night, the offering closed. I really like the setup here. I think we got a lot more room to run here. Just a $26 million market cap. Nice price action today, up 18%. And right now, that's the other thing. Guys, anybody saying that there's going to give you, 100%, 200%, 500% runs, 10x, that is just not happening in this market. Right now, you have to be focused on hitting singles. If you can make 10, 20%, 30%, you got to take that. It's a tough market. You got to be very nimble, and I'm going to discuss this more in depth here as we go along, but please always be booking profits and keep losses to a minimum. Next up, DHC. This has been a big runner. This has been a multi-day runner. Been on fire with insider buying. Be cautious here, though. As I said last night, the RSI is overbought. We're at 93. Use a trailing stop or take profits and wait for the dip. We got news. We got an activist involved, Flat-Footed LLC, calling on the company to finally address merger-related questions at its annual meeting of shareholders. So again, that's DHC is getting ready to merge with OPI, and we got an activist involved, so that's what's going on here. And we've also had a lot of insider buying in DHC, so certainly an interesting play here with Catalyst. So we'll be watching this one to see how it unfolds with the activists involved. But again, guys, please use a trailing stop, or if you been in since $1 when we started covering it, please take book profits, move, wait for the dip or move on to the next play. Do not fall in love with any small cap. You want to fall in love with something, go fall in love with a big cap, Apple, Nvidia, Tesla, or an ETF. Again, none of this is financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. MVIS, been absolutely loving this. Another great day. This wick here on the candle stock is still green, but again, it's starting to look toppy. RSI 91. Be cautious here. Again, this has been just an incredible run since May. It was $2. And today we hit $8. So, I know I said earlier, you can't catch these moves. If anyone's saying that they stayed in from $2 to $8, I got a bridge to sell you. So, guys, trade these. There was a lot of opportunities from 2 to 250. That was a great opportunity to take profits. And then we got another run from 250 to $4. You got to be taking profits on the way. Markets never go up in a straight line. It's always up, down, buy dips, sell rips. You get a trader like MVIS, you could actually make more money buying dips and selling rips than just buy and hold. Again, buy and hold. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but if I want to buy and hold, I love ETFs. I don't have to think about it, and I am diversified with the ETF in the sense that any one particular name will not blow up the ETF, and that's what people have to understand. A lot of people in the Wall Street Bets crowd, they made a ton of money in 2021, 2022. You had the Gamestop run, AMC, the Trump SPAC, DWAC. But again, all it takes is one bad trade to blow your account up, and then you got to pay taxes. So again, it's just, at the end of the day, it's all about P&L and managing your P&L and treating this like a business. You have to take this serious. It's not a game. This is not, fantasy sports or paper trading. This is real money on the line. And at the end of the day, all that matters is your P&L. Not mine, not the next guy's, not anyone posting on FinTwit. Anybody posting gains on FinTwit is, look, yeah, they're showing you gains from their paper trading account. They're full of shit. I mean, again, what does that do to anybody to post wins or losses on FinTwit? When I see that, I think of clowns, and I think of the Atlas Trading folks, and you know how that all ended up. So again, they're all going to jail. So again, it's just avoid that type of BS. What else is going on today? GameStop after hours. Guys, it's down in the after hours. This is why I do not take a position ahead of earnings. I wait for the earnings and then decide if there's a trade or not. The company fell sharply in after-hours trading after the retailer disclosed that the board has elected Ryan Cohen as executive chairman effective immediately. Cohen's responsibilities include capital allocation and overseeing management. In conjunction with the chairman development, GameStop also terminated former CEO Matthew Furlong. The board appointed Mark Robinson as the company's general manager, effective immediately. Additionally, Robinson was appointed as GME's principal executive officer. His new responsibilities will include administrative management, corporate development, legal affairs, and support for GameStop's holdings, including the oversight of other executive officers besides the executive chairman, and he will report directly to Ryan Cohen. The board will now have 5 members, with Furlong stepping off. In addition to the C-suite news, GameStop reported Q1 revenue fell 10.3% to $1.24 billion to miss the consensus mark of $1.34 billion. SG&A expenses fell to 27.9% of sales from 32.8% a year ago. GameStop also narrowed its quarterly loss to $50.5 million from $157.9 million. On the balance sheet, GameStop ended the quarter with a cash position of $1.06 billion, and they canceled their conference call. So again, not great news. Ryan Cohen, I don't know how you guys feel about him, but he screwed everybody in Bed Bath & Beyond. The guy's out for himself. It's obvious he's trying to salvage his GameStop investment. He was successful with Chewy. He's trying to do an activist campaign in Nordstrom. That's not going over well. He's even tried to do something in Alibaba. That's not going well. The guy's track record is not all that great. Be careful here. Not a lot to get excited about. I will watch it. Maybe it bounces. Let's see how the market develops tomorrow. And speaking of earnings plays, like I said, I've been covering IoT. Since its earnings. So after earnings, it spiked from $19 to just above 22, and then we got the run here. But maybe you don't like chasing. today was a great opportunity. It couldn't get above the previous day's high. It broke lower here. We had the VWAP was 2804 on this day here. Today we opened at 2797, got as high as 2859, but once it went through that VWAP, the stock just tanked. As I said last night, RSI was a little bit overbought. Again, if you missed the move higher, you can always wait and short it. And again, guys, like I said, I play both sides, long and short. I am not in this, pumping or bashing shorts or whatever. I am in the money-making business. And again, guys, it's not about being right, wrong, or arguing with idiots on social media. At the end of the day, week, month, year, all that matters is your own P&L. Please focus on that. Focus on you. Ignore the noise on FinTwit, stock twitch. You got these bulls, these bears, and I mean these people just fall in love with a stock, and if you say anything negative about it, they bash you, it's just a lot of noise that you need to ignore if you want to be a successful trader / investor. In other names that we covered last night, we saw profit taking. Like I said, one of those that I traded today from the short side was AI. And, let me tell you something, guys. I'm going to pull up here, switch from the daily chart to the 5-minute. And you can look here. If you trade this one, you have to use a wide stop or a mental dollar number on how much you're willing to lose. I made money today and shorting was the right call, but geez, it was touch and go. My short was filled at 38, 36, and it was all over the place. I mean, we got the break here. I mean, the first 5-10 minutes, it just absolutely dumped, and that's where I got filled. I got filled, on the second, because I don't do right at the open. I want to let the market open a little bit and get a sense of like, okay, I think it's weak or whatever, and make my call here. And then, the market just was like bouncing around here. And I was like, is it consolidating? Is it getting ready to, go higher again? Because, these are trading on emotions and whims. There's a lot of manipulation going on. Huge spreads on the the level 2. So, again, I just didn't know if I was going to make money or lose money today. I was using a stop above new highs of the day. And again, I had no clue how I was going to end up. I had confidence, but I could have I made money today, but I could have easily lost money today. And if anyone that says otherwise, that they're just full of BS or just completely lying to you and not really trading. There's a lot of Monday morning quarterbacks and paper traders on FinTwit. And, until you are actually in the trade, with real money on the line, it can be nerve-wracking. I'm being honest with you guys, and I think you guys know what I'm talking about here. It just bounced around here, and I'm like, am I going to lose money or am I going to make money today? And yeah, you can go into the 15-minute chart here and say, oh yeah, it was so obvious that this was a short. But again, it's completely different when you are actually really in the trade, and then seeing how it plays out. So again, guys, this is a tough business, but it can be very, very rewarding, and it's something that you can do to supplement your income and also become independent. So that is the name of the game, and that is the goal. Again, what we're trying to do here on this channel is help you guys as much as possible. But some new names that I want to put on your radar for tomorrow. IEP, Icahn Enterprises. Covered this one a lot on the channel here. I've been covering for the past few weeks. I made money on it buying the dips. I missed today's move. I didn't like that Uncle Carl has been so quiet, so I stepped away. And I don't like holding these positions long, more than, sometimes I'll do overnight, but I don't want to make these into long-term holds. Just because you worry about, there's the DOJ investigation, you got the Hindenburg short report, you don't know if new news is going to come out. And I said about Uncle Carl, why has he been so quiet? That concerned me. So when someone goes quiet, that's more telling. I know he said, oh, revenge is a dish best served cold. But Carl, you got a lot of people putting faith in you. That's why they are in IEP. They're in it simply for the faith of you and the dividend. But if people are questioning you, your finances, and the strength of the dividend, that puts everything at risk. So again, today was a nice day, nice volume, best day in a long time. Today's high was 27.69. I think this one could easily go back to 30.35. So that's what I will be watching for tomorrow. MOBQ, this is a new AI play. A lot of traders lost money on this one today, buying into the hype. This is why, you get a lot of pre-market news. I know a lot of people want to jump the gun. But the stock opened today at 29 cents, ran to 36 cents, and closed at 19 cents. So, most people lost money today. VWAP today here was just under 25 cents, closed at 19 cents. So almost everybody that bought today is underwater. Some on FinTwit are calling it a pump and dump. I just want to say this. If it looks like a pump and dump, acts like a pump and dump, and if you even have to ask if it's a pump and dump, then it's a pump and dump. And, play the pump, don't wait around for the dump. The stock rose in the pre-market after the company said it launched Icahn. Icahn is a suite of analytics products which use artificial intelligence to help political campaigns make more informed decisions using the Electech platform. The company said the AI-enhanced product uses machine learning algorithms to process a variety of data points, including districting data, voter registration, and demographic details. Electrolytics operates client-side, ensuring data privacy compliance according to the company. CEO Dean Julius said, by using AI to understand voter behavior and target messages effectively, campaigns can increase their chances of success, and we believe Electech can help political campaigns win elections. Guys, simply put, this is a penny stock, AI-related PRs. You're going to get a lot of AI hype. Play the hype, play the pump. Don't stay around for the dump, okay? FRZA consolidating really nicely here. Right now we're consolidating right here. We got resistance at 350, just a 3 million share float. Nice consolidation here. We get above 350, and this one can really make a move. As there's Sir Braxton says, if this one can close above 365, then this will be interesting again. If not, 250 in the near future. And you know what? He's just calling it like he sees it, and that is exactly what you need to do, and that is how I'm calling it. Above 350, he's saying 365. I like 350. But we're all in the same game. He's focused on making money. If it doesn't get above there, it's going lower. Simple. That's the simple fact, guys. Next up here is SUNW, SUNW. I covered this one last week, up 9% today. On the verge of a breakout. 14% of the float is short. Again, covered this one last week. Put it back on your radar screen. TRKA, I told everyone last week to be careful about this. I said we had a green day. It needs to get above $4. I said it was a recent reverse split. I don't like reverse splits. A lot of times all it is just another opportunity for the shorts to reload their ammo and at higher prices and short the crap out of it. And that's what's happening. So this is why TRKA is down, just like Mullen, MULN, another dog shit stock. They reverse split, gave the shorts another opportunity to reshort at higher prices, and that's what they're doing. So again, be careful with these reverse split names. I know a lot of people get excited. Reverse split. it's just they end badly. So again, you know, just look at the charts, look at the recent reverse splits, and you know what I'm talking about. Lastly, you know, when it comes to AI, guys, AI stocks, you know, you got to look to the market leader, and that's Nvidia. You know, the stock is down from 420 to 374.75 today. You know, this is why I was willing to short AI today. You know, it's because Nvidia has been weak. So again, you want to focus on, you know, follow the leader, and then you can make some ancillary plays and other names like AI. And you know, again, play long, play short. It's all about making money. That's all that matters at the end of the day. Not who's right, who's wrong. Not diamond hands, paper hands, BS. Just make money, guys. Can't stress that enough tomorrow for you guys. But the big play tomorrow is the NASDAQ Biotech that we have for our subscribers. To get our full report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.